Hello, welcome to today's Tuesday tutorial. This is the first one of many, and what we're going to do is we're going to look in the jam jar, pull out a question, and I'm going to answer it. Now, I have no idea what is going to come out. Your guess is as good as mine. All the questions have been asked by students from my Make It Readable course, so they're real questions by real people who want some answers. So let's delve in, find out what we get. So, opening up the jar. Delving in. It's quite a full jar, but it's a little one that I've pulled, so who knows what we're going to get. So what have we got here? Is it better to write on lined or plain paper? My immediate answer would always say lined paper. It gives you the space to be able to write with. It gives you those guidelines. When you've got the guidelines of writing, you know what size your letters need to be. So I'm going to use my whiteboard, my pens, and just show you what I mean. So got the pens at the ready. Going to get them out of the pencil case. Going to take one of these. Now I've got my whiteboards, but I actually also have a whiteboard like this, which has got the lines on. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So if I take two words, I'm going to take the word star. The lines help us to know how high things should be. But if I don't put it on the lines, you've then got to rely on what's called muscle memory to keep everything the same height. So hopefully when we compare the two, they're the same height, but they're not. I have gone bigger on that one because there's no lines to guide me. So lined paper is always best. Now I said that I'd give two words, so we're just going to double check whether the same thing happens with the second word. So I'm going to say bird. Let's compare, see what happens. They're roughly the same. So there's no rhyme or reason to it. Sometimes we can nail it when we're writing on plain paper, and sometimes we go a little bit bigger. But what is really helpful with lined paper is that it gives us the guidelines of where we're meant to be writing. So do remember that your sitting letters only go up halfway. So your sitting letters are your A, your N, your O, your E, things like that. Your tall letters don't go up to the top. They go up 90% of the line height. That's so that they don't overcrowd any letters above them or below them. Okay, so hope that helps answer that question. Is it better to write on lined or plain paper? I always say lined. If you don't have any plain paper, if you don't have lined paper, but you've got plain paper around, you could always draw some lines with a ruler or put some lined paper underneath it to give you the guidelines. Have a great day. Bye.